I need a couple chairs.
Pie in the face!
Why?
Pie in the face!
Because they're tall.
Pie in the face!
Last meal. Not the
Are you
last one.
videoing this?
Yes. Of course I am.
Gentlemen,
Let him finish his
back
cookie.
up. Instructions. Let them finish eating their cookies. Let them finish eating their cookies. Back up. Back up. All right, now listen.
Jacob.
Listen. When you put the pie in the face, you need to make sure you do it soft enough that you don't break their nose, you don't break their lips, because nothing looks worse than blood mixed with Cool Whip. All right? This is supposed to be fun, not painful. All right?
Right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, be nice.
For the
No, he already did it
All
once.
right, who's going to be a top seller this year?
Top seller.
Who's going to be a top seller this year?
Come on. Raise your hand. Let's
Raise
make
your
some
hand.
noise.